Hello and welcome to Namita's Delightful Dishes. Today we will be preparing a festival favorite, Sweet Pongal, also called as Sakkarai Pongal. This creamy sweet delicacy is a must-have during the Sankranti or Pongal festival season. Let's get started and create this delightful treat together. Pour half a cup moong dal into a bowl. Then add water to the moong dal and rinse well. Add 1 cup of rice into a bowl and rinse it with water. You can also wash the rice and moong dal together. Place a pressure cooker on the stove and add 4 tablespoons of ghee. You can cook the moong dal and rice in a large pot or an Insta pot if you prefer. Today I will be using a pressure cooker to prepare the sweet pongal. Add the rinsed moong dal into the cooker and saute it for a minute. You have the option to either add both the rice and moong dal together and saute them for 1 to 2 minutes or saute them separately. Add 3 cups of water and 2 cups of milk to the mixture. The milk enhances the pongal with a rich creaminess and flavor. Usually pongal is made with water, but adding milk gives it extra richness. Now gently add a few strands of saffron to the mixture for a lovely aroma and color. Remember, this step is totally optional. Close the pressure cooker with its lid and make sure it's sealed properly. Pressure cook until 3 to 4 whistles. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes, but the time may vary depending on your pressure cooker and the heat source. Allow the pressure cooker to release the pressure naturally. Let it sit for a few minutes. While the cooked rice and dal are cooling, in a small pan, heat a little ghee and fry the cashew until they turn golden brown. I personally don't add raisins, but feel free to add them along with the cashew and fry until golden brown. Then keep them aside. Now we will prepare the jaggery syrup. In a separate pan, add the chopped or powdered jaggery and add half a cup of water. Heat the mixture on low heat. Stir until the jaggery completely melts into an amber colored syrup. Once the jaggery syrup is ready, add the cooked rice and moong dal mixture to it and mix well. Adjust the consistency by adding more water if needed. Simmer for 2 minutes or till jaggery combines well with rice and dal mixture. Add in 2 tablespoons ghee and give a good mix till the sweet pongal turns glossy. Peel 2 cardamom pods to extract the seeds. Then using a pestle and mortar, crush the seeds with sugar until they form a fine powder. Add cardamom powder and mix well. Add half a cup of desiccated dried coconut to the pongal and mix well. Finally, add the fried cashew to the sweet pongal for the delightful crunch and sweetness. Sweet pongal is ready to be offered to the goddess and served. Enjoy this creamy, sweet delicacy as a festive treat or any special occasion. It's not just a dish, it's a tradition that brings joy and togetherness to every celebration. Happy Sankranti and Pongal to you and your loved ones. If you enjoyed this recipe, please show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. Until next time, happy cooking, take care, and may your days be filled with love, laughter, and delicious food. Thank you.